In this video, I will present my application. Where is my car? It's an application for smart car. Where is my car is an application which lets you connect your phone to your car, memorize the localization of the place where you parked it. So, if you forget the place, use the application to get the place and the road to your car. The demo of this application is when you park your car, the application got its position. So if you forget it, you can remember its position by clicking in the application. This last gives you also your current position and the road to find your car. Other tools are in development to be added in the application. The first one is the application Where is my car allows their users to check the tracking of their cars in a web platform. And the second one is when the person or the users parked his car, his friends and family, if they are near of this car, they get an alert.